Hey Christine, let's check this one out. So here's what we have. We have 7x minus 8 f of x minus 28 equal to 0. So before we begin, I'm going to replace f of x with y. Just makes the algebra a little bit easier. You're not thinking about brackets and all that stuff. But remember, y is the same thing as f of x. From there, we're going to do some algebra, and we're going to get y by itself. So I subtract 7x from both sides, and I add 28 to both sides. So I get negative 8y equals negative 7x plus 28. Okay, then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 8 to get y by itself. Over here, that's going to give me positive 7 over 8, and over here this is going to give me a minus 28 over 8, which we can reduce using the half rule. Half of 28 is 14, that'd be 14 over 4, and then we can do the half rule again, which gives us 7 over 2. So that's our equation. And I know you got that. So let's move over and talk about how you're going to graph this thing. How you can think about this, 7 over 2, well that's really like 3.5, right? Half of 7 is 3.5. You could kind of calculator that. So that's going to tell us that our y-intercept is at negative 3.5. So we can go put a dot right there. Then you're going to use your slope, and even though it's a fractional slope, that's okay. Remember, the slope is always the rise over the run. So basically, starting from our y-intercept, starting at negative 3.5, we're going to go up 7 units, so I counted it out right there. Then we're going to run out 8, and we always go up or down. The rise, if that was a negative, we would go down, but it's positive, so we go up, but we always run out to the positive, okay? So we always run to the right. So I go up 7 units, out 8 units, and that gives me my second point, and then we just connect that with a straight line. So that's pretty well all it is. Fractions are your friend on slopes. Hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't.